To most drivers, two tires that look the same are the same. Same brand, same size on the sidewall. Close enough. But in the shop, you know that small differences between tires can create big problems, even when nothing looks obviously wrong. Let's talk about why matching tires matters more than many customers might think next. One of the most common issues with mismatched tires shows up with uneven tread depth. Even when tires are the same model, different wear levels change how they roll. That can affect how the vehicle tracks, how it brakes, and how stable it feels on the road. Customers may describe it as a pull or a vibration. If you spot mismatched tires, you know you've probably found the culprit. Another place mismatches cause trouble is with all-wheel drive systems. Many drivers don't realize these systems expect all four tires to work together like a beautiful rubber ballet. Differences in tread depth or overall diameter force the system to compensate constantly. Over time, that leads to added stress, but that's something you can often prevent simply by catching mismatches early. Size and load rating come into play here too. Two tires can share the same listed size but behave very differently under load. Mixing tires with different load characteristics can change how a vehicle responds during braking, cornering, and highway driving. Then there's ride quality. Tires with different constructions or wear patterns don't absorb road input the same way. That inconsistency shows up as noise, vibration, or steering feedback that might feel unpredictable. Matching tires helps the vehicle respond the way it was designed to. Now, this is where communication matters. When you explain that matching tires isn't about selling more rubber, it's about keeping the vehicle balanced, predictable, and comfortable, customers tend to get it. Matching tires is part of doing the job right. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickels, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.